All right, we're here at the Medina Railroad on the 1941 again. And there's just a touch of an update going on here. We are hard at work on the car. This is where the sink was. The galley is all cleaned out, ready for a new floor. That's where the hot water heater was sitting. Here's your little serving window. And then we come into the car itself. Air conditioning is in there. We are about to get power to this around the end of the week. This is all gutted. All the chairs and tables are gone. We've got new ones ordered. We've got a carpet guy coming who's going to be doing the floor soon. We exposed the original heaters there. You can see the gaps where the seats would have been because this was built as a coach. Here's one of the tables that we were sizing up. Got more brand new ones on the way. For now, we're probably going to keep the wallpaper, as weird as it looks. And sometime soon, though, probably after this first season here, we're going to probably tear all that out and do a nice coat of paint or something. Now, this end, the floor is again all torn out. There was this piece that was breaking off the wall that is out to get replaced. Let's put a new one in. This is all torn out. Bathroom floor is all apart, ready to get new flooring. So this car is in some heavy progress. Right now, a couple of our guys are out here doing an oil change on the generator. And next week, we're gonna hopefully start the generator for the first time here. We've had it running in New Jersey before we bought it, but we're gonna get it running here properly. So, just wanted to give a little update, nothing formal. Just show people that things are happening. The car is being worked on very heavily. Gotta get a new frame for that window too. I don't know how we're gonna do that. We'll figure it out though. So for now, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll put another update when we're getting closer to putting the car in service.